Can you break up any Zoom recordings and sell them as online courses? I get a lot of people asking me what they can do to repurpose old Zoom workshops or old Zoom recordings that they have, and can they break it up and make it an online course? Now, there are two parts to my answer to this. First part is, yes, you can sell old workshop recordings or recordings of training that you've delivered and sell it as an offer of some kind. But I wouldn't recommend that you take a webinar and break it up, chop it all up into pieces, and then try and sell it as an online course. The reason why is because it's not an online course, it's a broken up webinar, right? It's gonna not have the right kind of professional experience, it's gonna feel choppy, and it's just not quite gonna be what people are expecting if you've told them it's an online course. My recommendation is that you basically take that Zoom recording or that webinar recording or that workshop recording, whatever it is that you have recorded, and sell it literally as that. So I have, for instance, live 90-minute workshops, masterminds that I have done online and recorded them, and I sell them as an online live workshop recording. I literally say exactly what it is on the tin. I'm transparent about what people are buying, so that when they do actually get the thing and they open it up and start watching it, they're not going to go, oh, this is just a recording of a Zoom, right? They were expecting it to be a recording of a workshop online. So just for the sake of making sure you're selling what people are expecting, I wouldn't break it up. And to make sure that it's professional as possible, I wouldn't break it up either. I would sell it as it is, be absolutely clear about the fact that it is an online recording of a workshop that was delivered live, and nobody is going to be surprised in the wrong way when they open it up at the other side. If you do want to create an actual online course, you are going to need to film your lessons individually. You're going to need to make sure you've done that via creating a proper course plan, and that you've made that experience feel like what people expect an online course experience to feel like, and have it all on a proper learning management system. If you'd like some help, you can book a call with me or come and join my Concept to Course 30-day course creation group coaching program, and I'll help you get it all done. I can also set up all of your tech for you. Get in touch.